I got into a program. It's a 24 fast start, 24/7 fast start, and I just got into it, and it's a 5 level MLM deal, and they they give you $250 worth of training. Uh, the startup fee's $20, but I'm gonna pay your way in and get you started free. Uh, I know you're a serious marketer and you need money, and so I'm gonna pay your way in and get you started free. And they have upgrades that will pay over $100 per sign up, and but the $20 one will pay $4 first level, $2 second level, $2 third level, $2 fourth level, and $4 fifth level. And that can make you $14,000 when you just get 5 people who get 5 people to fill that up. But you can have a lot more people than 5. And so that 14,000 is for the 5 figure, 5 people getting 5. But you could have a lot more. And then the upgrades, the training there, I look forward to upgrading and getting more training. This guy, uh, there's a video, and he tells you 5 things to attract people to your business. And this business also promotes any other business. You can put a link in to any business affiliate deal or your blog or anything you want to promote. And these are paying customers that come in and click on your link to see what you got, and they're more liable to buy than somebody that uh, didn't get their wallet out to start with. Uh, but uh, I just think that it's a real good little program, and it's combined with mail order. They got postcards and things that you can mail out to get people into your business. I'm waiting for my kit right now. They're supposed to have flyers and all kinds of stuff in it, and they're giving away like 30 leads to get you started in the startup kit. If you join online, you need to email uh, Jeff uh, Brinkley. I think his last name is Jeff Brinkley or Jeff something. Uh, uh, you need to email him to get your startup kit. But if you uh, mailed in your uh, fee to start, uh, that's automatic. They automatically send it to you. And so it's a mail order plan, and it's gone MLM online, and you get to see, you got a back office, you get to see who has signed up, and what level they're on, and this and that. And if you get in on, there's 3 different levels. If you get in on that, you can make a hell of a lot of money if you get in all 3. That's what I plan to do. But read the description of this video. Uh, I'm paying it forward and getting you started for free. So you have nothing to lose by trying it out.